Hello everyone, we are back again on a new video. This is a Biafra Liberation Army commander. I just want you to hear what he said because the message is very clear. After that, I'll have something to say. Just watch. Before I know I can worry about it. Yes, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your location. I see what on Ambo. I would say I see what on Uba. I saw you what I'm really okay. I can come here. Here with you, and I see Uba. What you want I'm really okay before that. Here come here. I am very happy. You want to go? I can worry about it. I got check. I can put you. Before I know where I can worry about it before I'm at Jaka. Oh, yeah, I see what on Uba. So, do not go to home again. See, what's you? Or not for Biafra, but in anything, we don't identify that in Biafra man or woman. I told them, issue will not follow you also, or allow you over. But if you catch you, I told you one or two questions, and they didn't respond or answer well as a Biafra person. The man will have full kids. They don't become full kids. To listen to you. You want to go? So, asini, omana kali dia. New masibu. Ina hekete na haneku. Ina bene one Nigeria. Masibu, maso Biafra. Ina bene one Nigeria. What I not see for that, I want to tell you alam. John Morgan, who know anything in identify as a Biafran person. Okalakema, issue na chomonsoge before change. Because I want to know who you identify. You didn't identify yourself well as a Biafran person. So it's better. All new moves in a guy who's in the sharing Charia. I say better no good. I was going to better number. Yes. Who didn't say area? One day. You want to go? What's in Nigeria? Riyamma ya faraga muka usa. Once na me one na me wumu Biafra no mu Igbo. Riyamma ya kwaluka usa. Because this will come out and see you. And you know how to identify as a Biafran person. Amado House we strike you immediately. Ayama House prison, Ayama House cell. We don't have right to judge. It's only God that judges. So what we can do to you to help you send you to direct to God for judgment. Nothing else again. If you like, believe it or not. That's my information to you. Okay, guys, we have heard it all. This is message from Biafra Liberation Army, and the issue is about the sabotage going on every now and then. People seem to drive joy, for sabotaging their brother. They do everything they want to sabotage the effort that Biafrans are putting to make things work, to make sure that everybody, live just like other people. Just like the recent trending news that Danka Ojukwu is the one behind the investigation going on against PM, but it's a matter of time. And it is a very common thing, in the minds or in the camp of DOS and their group. Each time anybody that any anti-Igbo, anti-Biafran people, carried out their atrocities, they're all muted. But when Biafran do one or two things to reiterate or to checkmate them, to make them to understand that what I've done is very wrong and is unacceptable, they'll be the one to tell you, remind you that, oh, this is Igbo man, our land is full of blood and all that. I'm watching what is playing out after the disappearance of PM on social media. Many of them are not saying anything about the burning down of innocent houses and our land. Rather, another gift is posting made a post and saying that our land is not peaceful after PM. Their group or some of their colleagues on the comment section, they were like, okay, yeah, it's true. I observed that mass. I noticed that. I don't know, man. But what can we say?
Anybody who is not able to identify what is going on and compare what is playing out now and what was happening in our land before the disappearance of PM. What I mean by disappearance, I'm talking about on social media. Nothing happened to PM. PM is very, very, very okay. He's well protected. So when I say disappearance, it's not about something. He was not kidnapped or anything as such. But not only Bianca, Mazam Nakano's wife, is also another suspect for no just reason because she chose to behave, like as if she's against her husband, even though people have said it, made that assumption that she is. Dịka somebody agwa na asị ọ dịka onye agwa na ọ na-ara na-agba this person, the person apụtakwa na public na-emekwa eme ka ya na-agbakwatu. So is a no. As na ilu dị mmadụ ọma ịtụ mbọ na onye a na-ekiri ekiri adịghị ọma ikpu ntụ. But onye a na-ekiri ekiri kpoo oze ntụ, gịnịkwana ka ị ga-eme? You have no choice than to call it what it is. Anyway, this message of Biafran army is one. Yeah, no, many of them are not gonna take it serious. No, never. But when you check the activities of those saboteurs, especially the recent video that is also group made, because there's a video that also group made. No, what I mean, also vigilante, they call themselves. They say they're working hand in hand with the army. That video, I posted it here. That kind of video, seeing somebody who is a youth doing that kind of video, when you question them, when anything happened to them, for example, I'm not calling for violence, I'm just saying because but if anything happened to them, people who are not saying anything about the atrocities and the activities now will be the one to tell you and ndị Igbo na-egbu onwefa. The only time ndị Igbo na-egbu onwefa bụ na o metụta ndị like ọkwa, but o metụta ndị na-like onye ha bụ ọzọ Igbo, ọ n'aka nọ mma nọ ndị be anyị, ọ ka akwa nọ mma, because life I will work duplicate. But some people are making it as if he has duplicate, that they are in the position to tell you what to do and how to carry it out. If you are involved in this kind of selling people, jubilating when our villages, when Biafrans are being pied from air, land, and any means necessary, and you are just finding that, like one of them, this guy in South Africa, Ikenga, said that he served them well, that when this is what you have, what will happen to you when you harbor criminals in your village. He made that comment on the recent. I think this happened. I believe on Monday, if I'm not mistaken. On 2nd of December, yes, because that was the day the Nigerian Air Force strike some communities in Biafra land, simply because they know that is the day of Biafran has mapped out for Biafran redeclaration. Even though we are not getting some intels that they wanted to stop that declaration using some people who are now agitating against their brothers on social media that why must my ministry position be touched? Allow it to be the way it is. I am the one that is this, I'm that. You are preaching for peace, at the same time you are instigating violence by committing nuisance and insulting people who you called your comrade. That is one of the sabotage. Like, let me go back to what Ikenga was saying, or what he said, not was saying. What he said, actually, because he had made that statement already. Ikenga called people who lost their houses by Nigerian Air Force strike. He said to them that he served them well. That is what you have, what you get when you harbor criminals. The issue is that, do you have evidence that they harbor criminals there in that house? This point and kill that our people are doing against their own is not something that we are going to celebrate. But celebrating it simply means that you are one of the people. In fact, you are more enemy than you are the real enemy than those who pull the trigger. That is just a fact, and that's what this Biafran army is trying to say here. You may not like the tone he used saying that. That's why I'm trying to deliberate on it more so that you understand what the message is all about. Anyway, I'm not going to make the video to be too long. I just want to highlight on this thing, just few things, so that people will understand that you like to be a slave does not mean that everybody that speaks the same language like you in the name of Igbo language is not in line or happy to be a slave to anybody. So you can work as a slave to anybody, but not on issue that has to do with Biafrans. So the earlier you map out this kind of choice that this is what you want to be is better for you, but don't drag other people to that. Anyway, my people, thank you so much for your time, and please subscribe to this channel. Tell me what you think about the message of this Biafran Liberation Army. I want to hear from you. God bless you, and see you again. Bye bye for now.